I am kicking off my weekend in Kansas City in style. That's a barbecue. It smells amazing, and we have live blues music. Check it out.
What are your most famous barbecue?
Our most famous things are like our burnt ends. So our burnt ends dinner is a classic. Our pork ribs, we serve the spare, which not a lot of places do now. Our beef brisket is also really good. So our street tacos have that in them also. You got skillet fries, pit beans that are really good. And then Guy Fieri, really like the barbecue Sunday, so I have to throw that in as well.
Check out what I got.